oxygen and nitrogen ratio in the atmosphere is 1:4. This is our planet Earth. We know that air is around the Earth, which is called atmosphere. This atmosphere consists of many gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, argon, and hydrogen, etc. The nitrogen gas consists maximum 78%, oxygen 20.9, that is almost 21%. Remain all gases including carbon dioxide makes just 1%. If we consider carbon dioxide and other gases negligible, the atmosphere shares 1:4%, oxygen 1 part of 5, and nitrogen is 4 parts out of 5. Nitrogen 4 parts out of 5. Oxygen 1 part out of 5 parts. So we can say 1/5 part is oxygen in the atmosphere. We can check it out by using this apparatus. Glass jar, glass trough, and a candle. We can prove it by doing an experiment. Before that, we'll try to understand the principle. We know that air is everywhere. Air also is there in the glass. And also we know that oxygen needed for burning. The candle burns until the 1/5 part of the oxygen is exhausted in the glass. Then the candle put off. It creates vacuum in the glass that is exactly equal to the volume of the oxygen which was utilized for burning. Then atmospheric pressure pushes the water in the trough. Then water enters the glass and fill up that vacuum. We know that the vacuum was created by utilization of oxygen, and the water level in the glass should be exactly 1/5 part. Let us prove this by doing a small experiment. Take a glass jar and put a scale on it, making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, total 5 parts. Take a plate and pour some water in it and put a candle and light it up. Then take that jar which you made equal 5 parts and invert it and keep it on the candle and observe the candle is utilizing the oxygen present in the gas jar. As oxygen is exhausting, the candle also puts off. Now observe the bottom. 5 parts, and the water raised in the bottle is exactly 1 part, that is 1/5 volume of the jar. The atmospheric pressure pushed the water and water raised in the bottle. So, in this way, we can prove the oxygen and nitrogen ratio in the atmosphere is 1:4.